Hey guys, Barry here with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit for a 68 Charger. It's an AM 8-track. It is now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth, I believe. Yes, this one has Bluetooth, and we're here to make sure everything works before we send her back. So I've got it set to AM at the moment at the one strong AM station I get in my area. Okay, there we go. So check our balance control, make sure we have both speakers. Let's see, balance right, balance left, right, and left. Okay, we'll go to center it. Okay, so we don't need these anymore. Okay, we're going to go from AM and FM. We turn it off, then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Okay, now we're on FM, and we'll just run it all the way down the dial.
Left.
Make sure we pick up some stations.
That virus onto somebody who may be.
Thine hands shall be.
Yes, he did. From the lines on her face.
Weekend. The wow factor takes you on.
Almost using
Higher.
Tables and training. Plan your adventure at
To again your own lack of you.
But is it your favorite winning station?
Okay, I guess that's it for the FM band. Okay, let's make sure the Bluetooth goes in pairing mode.
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so Bluetooth is ready to pair, and we just turn our volume control up twice to activate the pairing mode. 90 seconds later, she'll come back on saying pairing not completed. And while we're waiting for that, let's test the 8-track.
That means wake up and live. Get out and circulate. Oh, yes, she found a part of love. Well, baby, I'll explore. You're the one I want the beach. Go out and gather.
Okay, blank spot there. We'll come back to it. Okay, there's the track that was blank before. Okay, pull the tape out, and the radio comes back. Okay, and that takes care of that. She's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to my next video. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you've just seen what I can do to an old AM radio. We can add FM, Bluetooth, get the 8-track working again. We also offer HD, USB reader, and who knows what else by the time you're ready to do some business. So this comes from Matea. His American name is Matt. He lives in Europe, so this radio is set up for European or worldwide channel spacing as opposed to American channel spacing. And she's ready to go back, and it's going into a 68 Charger apparently. So thank you very much, Matt, for your business all the way from Germany. Thank you guys for watching and listening, and we'll see you next time.